Action.
Hey everybody, it's Ryan. So I've come out here with my Hennessy hammock. Still got the tag on it. Haven't opened it yet because I read online that somebody set this thing up in 5 minutes on the first time. So I wanted to see if I could do it, and I haven't opened it yet. I haven't unrolled it. I don't even know what's inside the bag. I brought an Eno strap in case it didn't come with its own. I also have some rope here. I don't know what else I need, if I need carabiners or what. I'm hoping it's going to work out. So we're here at a local park. You can see I'm here standing next to a bench. There's a swing set over there. We're going to try stringing it up and see if I can do this in 5 minutes. All right. So Graham's going to do this in one continuous shot. He'll be circling around and maybe even asking questions or perhaps antagonizing me. I don't know. We'll see. And I'll put a clock on the screen, or I guess you'll also have, this is on YouTube, so you can watch the clock in the corner of your screen. All right, we ready? All right. Got my paracord down here. Here we go. Starting the clock now. If I can get it out of even the freaking bag. Why is it packed in there so tightly? Okay, we have, looks like it did come with its own straps. Yeah, see? All right, that's good. It's good to know. It's got the bungee here. Let's see, check my time. Okay. This looks like the bottom of the hammock. So I'm guessing that this is probably, there's a cyclist, cool. This is probably the rain fly. You know what I'm not seeing? Stakes.
The bed?
There's no stakes to tie down the rain fly.
Okay.
So that's bad, yeah. Man, that's a lot of cordage. This is why we set up our gear before we leave home. Yeah. Let's see how much I can do without it. There's some clips here. See, lots of cordage. There's some ants. That's great. I should probably check out the instructions. I could have at least read the instructions on the back of the bag before I started. I suppose that wouldn't have been cheating, would it?
Part of the 5 minutes.
It says what to know before you go. Check the menu on the website under How To for useful tips and videos on how to set up your hammock, rainfly, rope lashing, and insulation systems. We recommend setting up the hammock once before you go. Zip setup tips and rope lashing. Wrap the webbing straps one or more times around tree and bring loops together in line with the opposite tree. Pass rope ends through webbing loops. Adjust hammock until it is centered and ridgeline is level and under light tension. I'm losing hope. Tighten each wrap and repeat lashing at least 3 more times in a figure-8 pattern. Tie off with 2 half hitches, leaving at least 6 inches for 15 centimeters of rope. Entrance should be at chair height and ropes at 30-degree angle under tension of your weight. Depending on weather conditions, adjust width of hammock by changing the angle of side elastics to tree branches, bushes, ground anchors, or the rain fly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2. We've got this fuzzy diagram in here that I'm trying to interpret. Okay, so I understand that you gotta feed the rope through there. I don't understand what's happening there. I don't know how that's different. There's something going on there in here. And then I guess it's tied off there. I don't know what that is. Let's see if we can at least do that. Crap, Graham, I think I bit off more than I could chew on this one.
Okay, part of the hero's journey.
How's our clock?
You're past 5 minutes.
Am I really already?
Yeah. Almost.
Well, yeah, I started 4 minutes ago. I'm guessing that this is maybe the fuzzy part.
Oh yeah, certainly.
What did it say? 2 half hitches or a taut line hitch?
I was concentrating on filming.
Understandable. I don't remember if that's taut line or 2 half hitches, but it's something that works. So tie the other side up here. I think my trees aren't far enough apart. Another part of the experience. Maybe we should try that one. Does that even work? Is that too far apart? Does the strap actually have to? Right? Starting to look like a hammock. So these are supposed to draw out like that with a stake here, which I don't have. That's a lesson for you boys and girls. Bring your stakes. But let's see if it'll hold me. Looks like the entrance is on this side. It's an asymmetrical hammock. Supposedly, you should be able to sleep. Should be able to sleep on your side while in it. Just want to make sure that these are level. This didn't quite feel like they were level when I was about to get in it. Does that look level now? Oh! Yep. Back to the drawing board. The learning process at work. Okay. I know what I'm going to do. Try something differently. Oh yeah, let's try that. Okay. I just had like 2 or 3 different ideas at once. First, we're going to try unwrapping this. And then okay. Watch out now. I'm trying to figure out what this carabiner is about. Wonder if that's for the fly. I don't think I even tied this knot right, but okay. Let's see if that slides. We're going in. Take two. No, I don't think it's going to hold it. It's frustrating.
Interflow state.
I was in it for a second.
Yeah, I can see it.
Yeah? We're going this way. There we go. That's a proper knot. Question is it going to hold me or not? Problem is that like this line of tension is going this way. I don't know if that's a problem or not. But then I suspect it has something to do with the angles of the tree. I don't know though. Maybe that'll hold. It feels tight. A little knot here. I'm trying to think of maybe if I can put it on a bind. I wouldn't know how to do that. My knot tying skills are not. Let's just try this. See what happens.
Time for real.
Third time's a charm. Yes. Oh yeah. That's it. What's our time at?
13:38.
Yeah. So I think according to my watch, it was 6 minutes till. I think it was about 8 minutes from beginning to end.
Yep.
So I should have set this as a 10-minute challenge instead of a 5-minute challenge. But there you go. Live and learn. I did it. There's no rain fly, but I can keep the mosquitoes out, which is pretty great. I also bought a separate mosquito fly, which I did not install here today. Oh yeah, this goes this way. Nice. I don't know how I'm supposed to get to the foot part. There's a separate mosquito net that goes around the outside of this even, because the mosquitoes in Belize, if you've ever seen Naked and Afraid, or just like that, they will storm you. That's what I'm expecting. So even a tiny little hole like this is not enough to keep you safe from mosquitoes or no-see-ums. I got an additional net that they'll act as an additional barrier. So yeah, this is exciting. overall, I'm happy with it. Thanks for watching.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. See you next time.